everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. We're getting near the end of having this thing tore down. By the end of this video, it should be tore apart about as far as it's going to be, minus some odds and ends that I might find somewhere along the way. Let's get started. Now, I've been putting this off, but it's got to happen at some point. I'll tackle these wheel weights first. Alright, everybody grunt along with me. Not as bad as I thought, but I'm not going to try and make a habit out of it. I believe them weigh around 100 pounds a piece. I don't have a good way of measuring them. It really doesn't matter. They are what they are. My original plans were to just leave the starter on here, but after looking at it, just get under there and clean and get it painted properly. It's kind of going to need to come out. So we'll go ahead and pull it out. It's just this one bolt. Will it slide right out? I'm truly amazed at that. I thought that was going to be a major struggle. Next, I'm going to get the belt pulley out of the way. My grandpa never used this tractor for belt work. He always used the old John Deere 50. And now I see why. To engage this, you had to loosen this set screw and then push it in until you feel the gears mesh. And then you tighten that bolt back down. Well, once you do that, if the tractor's running, the belt pulley is going to be engaged unless you push in the foot clutch, which that would pretty much make it a two-man job to try and do anything with it. So now I see why you always use the John Deere for belt work and never this thing. Next, we get this step out of the way and then this bracket. I can remove all these bolts that I had already loosened from when I took the front end out. So I had to spread the frame rails apart a little bit to get the front end out of there. Then I take the two bolts off that hold the frame rail to the rear axle housing. Frame rail should come off now. Turn spring for the clutch. Take that back. It's a return spring for the left-hand brake. Now I'm going to remove the linkage for the clutch and brake. The brake rod, the cross shaft goes across to the brake pedal. And this belt crank will have to come off, and then the clutch pedal can come off of that shaft. And the clutch rod, don't clear it. I have to loosen that bolt too. Loosen these jam nuts first. Custom-made adjustable spacer, also known as baling wire, one of my favorite things. need that to happen at all. Could have just did that, and there would have been no reason to even try taking that off. Saved me a whole lot of aggravation. There's the clutch pedal out of the way. Well, here I might as well get this handle for the snap coupler out of the way. Well, I think that's going to take care of the left side of the tractor, at least for now. Okay, I have the cotter pins out, the rod release for the right hand brake. Now the right hand brake pedal can come off. I'll get this lift cylinder bracket and this step off. Well, my day changed for me at lunchtime. Just found out that as of midnight tonight, all bars, restaurants, everything's closed in Iowa due to this coronavirus. I myself think it's not much more than a politically motivated panic. People are getting goofier by the day, though. So, time to take precautionary steps. You should choose to break into my house tonight. What's going to get your attention first? That sound? Or that sound? Either way, both are going to be ready. And with that being said, should you be introduced to the good old 4-shot? Some double-aught buck? Or do you want your last meal all in one dose in the form of a 1-ounce slug? I really think any one of them are going to do the job. Before I go any further on that other side, get this kickstand put back on the frame, or on the side of the bell housing here, so I can take that other frame rail off. Well, now that the bracket's off this side, now we can go ahead and get rid of this frame rail. This frame rail will be about like the other one. Get these bolts out, which were already loose. That's about going to wrap up this video. I was hoping to get this other brake pedal and this is the PTO linkage here and the hydraulic linkage off. And this down here, which I believe is something to do with that traction booster. So I'm not entirely sure how that even works. I need to read through the manual and see how that works. It's supposed to be something to do with weight transfer on the tractor for better traction. There's today's score. I got the frame rails off. As you can see, if I hadn't taken them off, there's just no possible way to get in there and get that clean and get it repainted, especially repainted right. And for all this work, if you're not going to do it the right way, why bother at all? Well, sorry I didn't get more done in today's video, but I didn't plan on spending a couple hours this afternoon cleaning guns well after hunting season's closed. I don't really consider myself a doomsday prepper, but with people getting weirder by the minute. You just never know. Don't forget to read that description down below and check out those guys' channels that I have listed. They got a bunch of great content, definitely worth watching. Next time, probably tackle getting these wheels off, finish the linkage, and that should be about it for disassembly. Oh, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that like button. Catch you next time. See ya.